In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get signatures from multiple people in Docusign in 2024, whether you're managing contracts, agreements, or any document requiring multiple signatures. Docusign makes this process seamless and efficient. We'll walk through setting everything up so you can streamline your workflow and keep things moving smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. It's a leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, so you can rest assured that you'll be using a reliable and secure service. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, the next step is to click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up option. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign home. From this central hub, you can access all the tools needed to manage your documents and signatures efficiently. Now that we're at home base, look for the Start option. It should be clearly visible and will take you to the document preparation process. This is where the magic begins as we prepare to request signatures from multiple recipients. When your document is ready, you'll want to click on the Add Recipient button. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for inviting others to sign the document. After clicking, you'll see the option to add multiple recipients. Here, you can enter the names and email addresses of everyone who needs to sign. A useful tip, be sure to double check that you've entered these correctly to avoid any delays or miscommunications. Now let's talk about some additional features that Docusign offers in this process. You can set the signing order if you prefer the document to be signed in a particular sequence. Moreover, you can customize the message accompanying the email request to ensure that your recipients know why their signature is needed. This personal touch can be helpful, especially in professional or formal settings. Once all your recipients are added and you've customized the details, you'll proceed to send the document. It might take a moment for everyone to receive the email and review the document, but Docusign allows you to monitor the progress. You can see who has signed and who is yet to respond, keeping you fully in the loop. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently request and manage multiple signatures on a document using Docusign. This process not only saves time, but also helps ensure the secure and proper management of essential documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Docusign for all your document signing needs.